Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this 3 by 3 magic square such that we have been given only these three values 21, 14 and 22. And now we are going to find the values of these remaining boxes as you can see over here. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. Before we go any further, let me give you an example of a magic square. And in this example, we got a 3 by 3 magic square such that the sum of rows equal to sum of columns equal to sum of diagonals, as you can see over here. As we can see that the sum of rows, all of them are equal to 15, and likewise the sum of columns are equal to 15 as well, and also the sum of these diagonals are also equal to 15. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this row that contains 21, and let's focus on this column that contains these numbers 14 and 22. Since the values of these boxes are unknown, let me go ahead and label this box as an X and this box as a Y. And since we are dealing with a magic square, that means the sum of these numbers in this row must be equal to the numbers in this column. Go ahead and write down these numbers. I can add them up. 21 plus X plus Y must be equal to these columns, which is 14 plus Y plus 22. And now we can see Y cancels out from both sides. And now the left hand side we got 21 plus X equals to, let's add these numbers, so that is going to give us 36. Let's subtract 21 from both sides. This is gone, so our X value turns out to be simply 15. Therefore, we are going to replace this X by 15 in this box. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this diagonal that contains these numbers 15 and 14, and moreover let's focus on this column that contains 21 as well. And since these boxes the values are unknown, let me go ahead and label them. Let me call this one X and this one Y. Once again, since we are dealing with a magic square, so that means the sum of all these numbers in this diagonal must be equal to the sum of all these numbers in this column. So therefore, let's take care of this diagonal first. Let me write down Y plus 15 plus 14 must be equal to this column, sum of these numbers, which is X plus 21 plus Y. And now we can see this Y and Y cancels out. So we ended up on the left hand side 29 equal to X plus 21. Now let's go ahead and subtract 21 from both sides. This is gone. So our X value simply turns out to be 29 minus 21 is going to give us 8 value. Thus, I am going to replace this X by this value, which is 8. And now we can see that we figured out all the values in this diagonal. Let's go ahead and add them up. 8 plus 15 plus 22 is going to give us equal to 45. So we figured out the sum of the diagonal are equal to 45. So therefore the sum of all columns must be 45, and sum of all rows must be 45 as well. Now let's focus on this column. We got these numbers 14 and 22, so this number has got to be 9 such that if we add all these three numbers, they must be equal to 45. Now let's focus on this column. We know these numbers 8 and 21, so this number must be 16 such that they add up to equal to 45. And likewise, let's focus on this top row. We got these numbers 8 and 14, so that means this box must have value 23 such that if we add these three, this must add up to 45. And finally, let's focus on this row that contains 16 and 22. So this box must have value 7 such that if we add these numbers, this must add up to 45. Now we can see that we have successfully filled out all these boxes such that the sum of all these rows equal to 45 and sum of all these columns equal to 45 and sum of all these diagonals are 45 as well. And here's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.